Aren't you supposed to be studying? It's 2 days before your exams. Oh, so cute. Oh shit, it's 2 days before my exam. That's what I was trying to say. Hey everyone, it's mariahxworld, and today I'm going to give you a cramming guide. So we've all been there. Last minute, you have to study. Get a book, a calculator, a pen, and let's get into it. Before we get into it, I have a homemade ice cream recipe at the end that's super simple, so stay tuned. First, we're going to calculate. You're going to count the amount of days that you have till your exam. Say you will be up for 15 hours in the day, minus 1 hour for breakfast, 1 hour for lunch, and about 30 minutes for other things, but we'll just go with 2 hours. So you have 13 hours. Say it's 5 days till your exams. 13 by 5, 65. So 65 divided by the amount of courses that you have, divided by that amount, and then you get how much hours you should spend on each course. You might ask me, oh, some courses need more time than others. Then I would suggest doing the courses that you think need less time and less energy first, but you'll have a set point as to what not to go over. And whenever you get extra time from doing your easier courses first, then you will be added to the harder courses later. Number 2, Quizlet. You can find almost anything on Quizlet. You can Google biochemistry, Quizlet. You find quizzes, flashcards. One thing I recommend to do is take a quiz before you start studying to know where you're at, and things that you shouldn't really go over in that much detail, and things that you did not stick in your long-term memory. Number 3. This is a weird one, but I'd say to go backwards. For your course, you should do the last topic first, and first topic that you learned last, unless the topic are building topics that interlock with each other. Otherwise, you should go backwards, because the topics that you learned first would most likely, hopefully, be in your long-term memory, and the short-term memory topics, the ones that you just learned, may be harder to regurgitate in your exam. Number 4, study for your last subject first and then your first subject. So say you have 5 courses, you should go 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, because when you're cramming so much work, the last course that you have usually suffers because your brain is overwhelmed. So once you train your brain with the last course first, it wouldn't be as overwhelmed when you actually reach to that course, and it will hopefully prevent you from failing. So number 5, easy one, is acronyms and sounds. So for the amino acids, when I was learning amino acids, the first acronym, it was HEL. So I know histidine, isoleucine, leucine, and something else. And I could still remember it from till this day, and I could still remember that acronym till this day, and that was over a year ago. I was learning amino acids. So songs, if you want to sing it out. Number 6. I know it's very stressing and everything, but you should get some sleep in order for your brain to retain the memory and actually be able to use the memory without throwing it away. You need sleep to regenerate cells and for your memory to actually work. So get those power naps in, but make sure not to oversleep, as that is wasting time. Don't study on your bed, otherwise you will not get proper sleep. This was mentioned in my study video before. Number 7, go on YouTube, type in your subject, and then crash course, and you will most likely get a rundown of everything, and it will be great. Number 8. Even if this person is not doing the same subject as you should have a Zoom call with them, because I know we can't get together right now. Post on Facebook, say anyone wants to study with me, anyone wants to keep me company, because this would pressure you to stay studying, pressure each other to continue studying, and it's way better to study in groups. Come out your comfort zone a little bit and message somebody, do you want to study with? Because I've learned that thing that I might be strong in, somebody else might not be strong in, and we help each other, and that's what we should aim to. Number 9, get uncomfortable. The space that you're studying in, you could have like a little space on the ground or by a desk or on a chair. But I found out that studying somewhere uncomfortable, you want to end as soon as possible. So if you know you have to finish this in however much hours, finish studying for this course, it is an incentive that you would want to move from that studying area to study faster and to be more efficient if you are a bit uncomfortable, but not too uncomfortable. Number 10, and the final one for extreme cases, go to your notebook or to your slides, close your eyes, say a small prayer, and then open it to that page and study that page. My teacher from high school told me this, and it actually works now and then. If you have slides, just scroll up and whatever slide it reaches on, study that slide. It's random studying and get your brain working to learn a lot of different things. So now onto the ice cream recipe. If you follow me on Instagram, some technical issues, I lost some of the footage for the ice cream, but I really wanted to share this recipe with you. It's super simple. I'll leave the link to NINO's home where I got the recipe from, and I hope you enjoy it. So this is where I lost footage, and let's use our imagination to pretend that I added the condensed milk, chocolate chips, coffee and cocoa powder and put it in the freezer. That's all for everyone today. Leave your tips in the comments, like when you cram, what do you do? I have 156 subscribers right now. Thank you so much for all the support. Really, thank you. Some days it gets really hard and difficult, but having the support behind me is what pushes me. Next week is my birthday, so I would like some ideas onto what to do for my birthday, and I will do these things with you all next week. I'm turning 23. Thanks again so much for watching. Please leave a thumbs up if it was helpful, and subscribe, turn on those bell notifications, and stay safe. Bye.